from TEAM6.
I'm Marcus.
I'm Rutan.
I'm Xiaoqi.
I'm Yixuan.
And I'm Sungei.
Join us on our journey to Sungei Buloh.
Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve aims to promote the preservation of many species of wildlife. One of the many interesting species that inhabit Sungei Buloh are the mangroves. Mangroves are special in that they have developed special roots that allow them to breathe. These roots also take in seawater, and the excess salt is secreted through tiny pores in the stems, roots, and leaves. They also are special in that they are the only plants to germinate while on the parent plant.
Here, I'm going to talk to you about the rubbish that surrounds Sungei Buloh. Much of the trash has found its way to the mangroves, and it's very damaging to the ecosystem. Trash can trap amongst the mangrove roots, causing young mangrove saplings to get blanketed by plastic bags, where discarded food containers would collect water and create potential breeding grounds for mosquito. A record 20,000 kg of trash was cleared off beaches and mangroves during the annual one-day cleanup by International Coastal Cleanup Singapore, in short, ICCS, in 2013. Now, I'm going to tell you some facts about the rubbish in Sungei Buloh and the effects on them. Fun fact 1. In 2003 alone, volunteers collected over 1,000 kg of coastal trash. Plastic kills more than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 sea mammals and turtles every year. Fun fact 3. It has been estimated that 80% of marine debris is from land-based resources. So kids, now if you weren't listening to what I was talking about, just remember to always dispose of your rubbish properly, because I believe you love and care for the earth and especially the animals.
Other than trees, animals are a definite must-see in Sungei Buloh. Migratory birds are the main attraction here in Sungei Buloh. Every year, thousands of migratory birds arrive at the reserve around August or September from their breeding grounds in Russia or Korea. Some of these birds take a rest at Sungei Buloh before flying to countries like Indonesia or New Zealand. Some examples are the common red shank and the Pacific golden plover. Aside from the birds, you're almost certain to see the giant mud skippers. They are amazingly well camouflaged creatures can be easily missed if you're not careful. If you're lucky, you might be able to see them skip right out of the water. Sometimes you might be able to see the Malayan water monitor lizards, which can be spotted around Sungei Buloh, especially during hot days. But worry not, even though they look scary, they are actually quite harmless. In fact, they are quite shy and will scurry away from your path when you encounter them.
Many programs are being carried out to conserve and recover native species. Current initiatives include bird, dragonfly, and plant conservation. For plants, they conserve rare species in their natural habitats, rescue plants from areas undergoing development, and increase their numbers through seed planting, cuttings, and tissue culture, keeping them in secure areas for protection. Dragonflies are important indicators of freshwater habitat quality. The 117 species found locally are being cultivated by enhancing water bodies such as ponds and streams with plants important for dragonflies. Sungei Buloh creates and enhances habitats by replanting degraded areas, developing new grassland for birds, and improving mangroves, so that the sufficient habitat is available for the species that are being preserved. A variety of programs are available for anyone wanting to be involved in nature conservation, such as volunteering as guides at nature areas, participating in habitat monitoring, and giving a hand in reforestation projects. The public can also participate in biodiversity-related seminars and educational workshops conducted by organizations and interest groups.
Alright, it's conclusion time. This is going to be a repeat, but I'll just say it again anyways. Nature reserves are very important. They serve as a natural environment for living things that are not us, human beings. So everyone, I hope that you do your part and help to contribute to the natural environment. Thank you very much.
Are we gonna
Come to the end of the journey. We hope that you enjoyed and learned something new. Bye-bye! Oh, I'm tired, sir.
Hey guys, very hot eh.
Go home.
Bye!